mine was working.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
So I got going. Had to get some juice going on it, you know?
Well, the vibration's what makes it work.
Yeah.
It's got a bad bulb in it.
So he is by himself, right?
Yeah.
It is. Now he's supposed to hover clear across the country for a while, isn't he?
I think so.
Touching down. He's pretty steady.
Yeah, he's still really good. Yeah, he's really steady.
Helicopter 30 Delta on the go, Bravo, parallel 35, back close traffic, looking.
It was all right. I was in, but
That just means he's on the go, so he's taking off of X-ray Bravo, which is parallel to T5.
oh, look at that. Pretty good.
Yeah, it looks really stable.
It does. I want to go back up and watch him land.
Yeah, that's cool when they
Yeah,
come
we
right
got
in
to
there.
make a beeline over there when he gets ready to land.